Aircon from a job site, and man, if I didn't blow this contact already, because I'm stupid. And when you have Asperger's like I do, which is a form of autism, you know, it's got like a little touch of ADHD and whatnot, psychobabble bullcrap. Anyway, this is why I don't have a real job. Okay, which really, okay, yeah, this is like living the dream, right? But, yeah, living the dream would be me getting whatever job I wanted to and doing this. But that's not possible. There's a lot of work going on. Anyway, I picked up the air conditioner. Okay, everything's cool. Got there on time. Okay, check all the boxes off. Found the house with no problem. Oh, there's the popo. Unmarked squad car. See, I have quite the eye for unmarked police cars. I have like this silent eye for unmarked squad cars, marked squad cars, whatever it is. Anyway, I pick up the air conditioner. The guy starts talking, you know, like normal people can do. Talk and handle a light conversation and work at the same time. I cannot do that. If I so much as attempt to do that, I'm going to have an accident of some kind. I'm going to get hurt. I'm going to end up hurting somebody. Those stupid bikes drive me crazy. Look at my bike that I could sit down on. Okay, off topic again. Anyway. Channel's becoming like the planet Earth. It's a YouTube channel, all one word, run together, the planet Earth. You gotta go check it out. I keep telling, I mean, he's not hurting for subscribers. He's got way over 12,000 and millions of views. Okay, so he's not hurting that way. It's just that the channel's so crazy. It's actually possibly crazier than mine. I don't know. Anyway, I pick up the air conditioner. Everything's good. The guy's yapping, and that's where the problem of being slightly autistic and yeah, having those kind of disabilities. It's like a hidden thing. It's like you look at me and like you would go, "What the hell's wrong with you?" You know. Well, that's what's going on. I pick it up, I put it on the hand cart, okay? The dolly or whatever you want to call it, the two-wheel cart. Okay, it's all good. Hey, I'll take the garbage for you too, you know what I mean? Like, hey, you know, I'll get down, I'll lick your boots for this contact. This, you know, thank you, Jesus. This is awesome. And, yeah, you know what happened, right? I picked the air conditioner up, and the guy starts yapping and talking, and I'm talking back. Blah, 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 blah. Oh, yeah, blah, 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 blah. And the air conditioner rolls off of the hand cart, and on top of his toolbox, which is made crushes the plastic toolbox to the point where the hasps, you know, the lock snaps or whatever, they don't work. So I ruined the guy's toolbox. I offered to take care of it for him, and he said no. He's fine. What do you think that means? That means I failed the test. I probably blew this contact. The guy's probably like, this guy's F-wit, man. So yeah, I'll be shocked if the guy ever calls me again. This is 4 air conditioners today. 4. Look at that old military vehicle. Oh. I think I blew that one, man. I'm really mad at myself. That's really disturbing. We're starting to build houses again. After years, after 10 years of, well, more like 8 years of not building homes. Finally starting to build homes again. Anyway, yeah. I think, yeah, I'll be shocked if this guy ever calls again. That's what happens when I'm working for somebody at a normal job, a regular job. They start yapping or whatever, and I either have to like totally ignore them when they're talking to me, and then people know that you're ignoring them, or if I start talking to them, I start forgetting everything. Like, you know, not stuff that you could write down, because there's no way that you're going to write down the next 20 steps that you're going to do. Okay, I'm talking about executive function, and that's, you know, like